Travis Trevatison, gonna try one of these Supreme Football. This thing was factory like that, and for some reason even the first ones we have, I have all this tape everywhere on them. I'm extra secured. Anyway, 2014 Supreme. Here we go. Just missed it. We had 1 to 16, that was 17. And 19. And 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That one's yours. Turn. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Alright. 1 to 15. These out of the way. There. Running out of room over here. Alright, Travis, this is the 5-box from the Master Mini. One on top, 5 on bottom. 6. 1 right on top. That will leave over 89, 97, 17, and 96 blocked. Plus there's 1 left from that last little mini case. Okay, Travis, we got there. Only 3.5 minutes of rolling, but we got there. Box number 11. Oh yeah, I guess since I did all that, I might as well verify that is exactly what you ordered, so I don't open the wrong thing. 2012 Prime Cuts, 2014 Supreme Football. Yep. We have Significant Signatures Jim Bunning on card autograph. So, oh, there's Travis Trevatison. I guess I give your mods back here in a minute, man. Sorry, I took them away about a few weeks ago. This is your break, Travis. Jim Bunning. That one is numbered to 25. And Reggie Jackson jersey. That one's numbered 41 of 44. Supreme Football. Redemption. Alright, we have 144 Keenan Allen. Keenan Allen, Richard Sherman to 25, 24 of 25, DeAndre, 162, and patch autograph of Gronk Dude. Rob Gronkowski autograph patch. Alrighty, that's it, Travis. Took longer to roll for it than it did to break it. Thanks, man. See ya.